Let's see, two more for the drawing environment. We need to look at sectioning all parts. So we talked about this in the assembly mode. We've got a top view here. We've got a section line cut and a section view down here. You'll notice the hardware has not been sectioned. Again, these came from the Content Center. That application option that you saw does not affect this. That's only for the assemblies. How do we get these components sectioned? There's a couple of ways to do it, but probably the easiest way to affect all of them is over in the browser tree, locate your view. So if I expand this out, there's my section view right there. If I expand that, it shows me the assembly. Expanding that, I can see each one of the components. And of course, the Content Center components are very obvious with their icon. I can simply do a shift select to grab all of those, right click, go to the section participation flyout and tell it section. And immediately those components get sectioned.